Broken vows shatter like fragile glass, heart in ruins, drowning in the past.
Tears cascade, a relentless flood. Scars reopen, spilling crimson blood. Lost in the abyss of what once was, but a whisper stirs a desperate cause. The past is in the past, let it crumble and fade. Sunrise ignites, banishing the shade. Rise from the ashes, seize the day. In a fire roars, lighting the way. The past is in the past, break these iron chains. Healing surges, washing away pains. Forward charge with unyielding minds to reclaim the light. This agony rips like a savage storm.
Rise of growth
In torment we're reborn.
from shattered illusions we violently break. Trembling in darkness, but hope starts to wake. Sorrow twists to fuel,
Igniting the fight,
sudden spark explode.
piercing the night.
Echoes of joy turn to hollow cries. Empty rooms where our dreams die.
Regrets stab deep like thorns in the flesh.
Seasons of grief leaving me breathless.
Doubts swarm like vultures pulling me under.
Yet in the chaos a thunderous wonder.
Rising from wreckage, fierce and profound, the soul
Soul awakens, shaking the ground.
of the past is in the past.
Let the tempest subside. Winds of renewal, open wide, stand unbreakable. Let your essence glow. Cast off the shadows, let freedom flow. The past is in the past, tales rewrite anew. Mend the fractures, see it through. New vistas call with passion's art. Ignite the spark, a blaze and restore.
Torment coils like venom in veins.
From ashes of despair we claim our reigns.
Tears alchemize to unquenchable fire.
Facing oblivion we rise ever higher. Heart-wrenching sobs turn to warriors' cry. Bold reversal, we touch the sky. Dawn cracks open, birds erupt in song. Buried burdens finally gone wrong. Lessons forged in fire's cruel embrace.
Now I chant a victorious grace.
No backward glances, chains snap apart. Momentum builds a racing heart. Allies rally, banishing the strain. Life explodes through glory and pain. The past is in the past. Conquer peaks untold. Stars conspire, futures unfold. Soar beyond limits, divine and prime. Spirit unleashed in rhythm and rhyme. The past is in the past, eclipse the forlorn. Dark yields to brilliance, vow reborn. Power surges, defy the norm. In radiance, eternally sworn.
Reflecting on trails of fire we've crossed. Tears of loss, now victories in blood. Foes propel us to divine applause. Fate's cruel jest, now our sacred touch.
From depths we surge, fierce and unafraid. Emotional quake, hopes cascade.
Atop the summit, winds howl my name. Tangled hair so aflame, lost treasures reborn.